6,412,490,000 pesos. Dito po nagsisimulang makita ko na po yung mga discrepancies sa comparison po ng previous financial statement. Kagaya po ng observation din ni Kong Barsaga kanina, Mr. Chair. Tingnan po ninyo yung pagkumparahan po ninyo yung dalawang financial statement, meron po kayong discrepancy. 2007, Mr. Chair, ang difference between the consolidated revenues reported at saka po yung parent, which is ABS-CBN, 6,524,632,000. And then 2008, Mr. Chair, the difference is 9,790,821,000 pesos. (2009), Mr. Chair, ito na